just wanted to show you this really cool facial hair remover and eyebrow hair trimmer by Crest. It is a portable and USB rechargeable women's body hair trimmer. Inside there is a little bag and an instruction packet on how to use. Here is the USB rechargeable wire, a trimmer guard, a little tool to clean up any stray hair, and the main electrical piece of the trimmer. Here's the smaller head for the electrical shaver. This one is really good for eyebrows or hair on your face, so I'm going to give my brows a little bit of a touch up. Turning it on is really easy. It just clicks on and clicks off. Let's go for it. And the second head is really good for getting larger areas of hair, and it's really easy to interchange them out. So all you do is twist it, pop it off, and easy as that.
Hello, I'm here to talk to you today about a personal razor kit that I received, and I just want to let you guys know how good this thing is. Okay, so first, my favorite attachment. This is what it looks like. My favorite attachment has to be this one. It comes with a plastic cover, and this one is my favorite because I use it on my legs, my arms, to get rid of the hair. You know how wintertime is coming up, so you'll be using this once you come out of those long pants and leggings. So here's the power button. Let me take this off. You put it on, what it sounds like, and it gets really close to the hairs. And let me show you guys all the attachments that it comes with, because it comes with a lot of attachments. So the second one, and let me show you really quick how do you take this off. These attachments come off so easy. So this is how you take them off. This is how I take them off. Just lean it back really quick and it just pops right off so quick. So my second favorite attachment would have to be this one. This is a silicone head for washing your face. Just pop that bad boy in there like that. You can probably see it spinning. Yeah. So this one I use with my regular face wash. Nothing fancy. I don't need all the fancy stuff. It does the job. The bristles are really short, as you can see. It's really nice, really soft. I believe it's nylon and vegan, so for those of you who are vegan, this is what that is. It's so soft, you guys. So those are my favorite two favorite attachments. Let me show you a few more. So this one, if you need to get precise in your hair removal, say your bikini line or something like that, this one is what you can use that for. Let me get up close. This is what that one looks like. And then you've got this one. It's a face brush as well. This one's got really soft bristles. There is this one for those, short hairs. So you got some short hairs you need to trim up really quick because you're going on a date. That's what this one is for. You can use that for this one. Just trim up those armpit hairs really quick, girl. And then this one, a mini face massager. You can massage whatever you want, but a little face massager. Like that. Also, you guys, this thing comes with a stand, a charging base. You don't need batteries. It comes with its own charging cable, and it's USB. So you can just plug this right on into your brick, plug it into your wall, and take it with you. Let me show you how it sits in here. It just pops right in like that. So it sits on your vanity or your bathroom counter like this. And this thing is perfect for traveling. It's small enough to fit in your suitcase. Perfect for traveling, you guys. But let me put my favorite attachment back on, because this one I'll be using the most. And it looks just like this with this plastic cover on it. And you guys, it also comes with a cleaning brush to get those little hairs out of there, you know. But yeah, I just want to tell you guys how good this thing is. It's, I believe, a 6-in-1, 7-in-1. So good. Make sure you give this thing a try. There you go. This is what it looks like. Detachable head. Pops right on really quick. See the hairs. Now let's try one for the face. It's this one, silicone. Ooh.
This is the Vicello 5-in-1 electric shaver for women. If you are looking for a safer, more effective, and convenient way to shave off unwanted hair, look no further. Get silky smooth skin in just 5 minutes. It is a great on-the-go device because it's cordless and rechargeable, and you can keep it in your purse just in case you miss that one hair. Its rechargeable battery runs for about 1 hour on a single charge. It can be used for dry and wet use situations and is safe for bikini, underarms, and eyebrow shaving. With this, you will get a manual shaver-like close shave without getting any shaving burns, cuts, or itchy skin. With fast rotating technology and a powerful battery, this electric razor, unlike other weak razors, will not pull your hair instead of cutting them, and thus you will avoid any pain due to that. It comes with 5 replaceable heads, a hair trimmer, a rotating shaving head for upper arm and leg, a nose trimmer, an eyebrow trimmer, and a facial cleaning brush. And you can use it on both dry and wet skin. You will also get a squeaky clean electric razor every time you want to use it, since cleaning it after each use is so easy that you won't avoid doing it. All you have to do is use this little brush a couple wipes later. You are as good as new. It also comes with a carrying pouch and an ebook, How to Get a Smooth Shave Every Time, and a tutorial video. So go ahead and reclaim your soft, smooth, and radiant skin and get yours today, or it makes a perfect gift.
I'm Valerie. I am a fashion and beauty influencer and content creator, and I love trying out new products for you guys and reviewing them so you can see whether they're good, whether they're worth your money or not. And today I'm going to be reviewing the I Must Have Derma Razor. This thing is super cool, and I wanted to show it to you guys because I had been wanting one of these for forever. I really like this one, and I'm going to show you why, and I'm going to show you how to use it. Let me show you everything it includes in the box. Here is the razor. It's this very sleek white, pink, and gold razor, and I think it's so pretty. The design is super nice, it's girly, and it's very small and portable, which I like.
This derma razor includes 4 different attachments for all your shaving needs. It comes with 2 dermaplanes for a close shave. It also helps remove excess dead skin cells. 3mm and 5mm combs to precisely trim hair and keep it looking neat and tidy. A skin guard for sensitive areas like underarms to minimize any razor burn.
So this one's rechargeable. You can just plug the charger in here, let it charge, and then you can use it wireless, which is just amazing. And then it also has an LED light here, which is amazing, so you can see the hair better. This razor comes with 2 dermaplanes, which is amazing. These dermaplanes really help get a very close shave, and it also helps remove dead skin cells, and it leaves your skin super soft. So it comes with 2 of these, and you can just slide it in. And there you go. So you can use this attachment, or you can remove it, and you can use any of the guards for a trim if you want to trim hair, or if you want to get a very close shave. So I love that it has many different options and it's super easy to attach. And let me show you how to shave. I love how easy and convenient this is to use. You can shave anywhere on your body with this. You can also trim hair, which is great. If you don't really like to have a super close shave, you don't really mind, that is amazing. And I also love that you can't cut yourself while using this. Like, it's pretty foolproof, which is just amazing because I'm pretty clumsy. I've definitely cut myself really bad before using razors because, you know, accidents happen. And I love that this is just so safe to use. I think this would also be a great option for like younger girls girls that are just starting out shaving and stuff like that. I feel like I would have loved having this when I was younger. A much safer alternative and different options for shaving and trimming, which is great. So I love that we can have this. It also has this little grip here so that you get like a good grip. And the design is just super cute. The LED light is a great bonus point there, so you can see the hairs a little better. This is amazing, and it's so portable. As I said, it is completely wireless, so it's so easy to carry with you if you wanted to, like if you're going on a trip, or maybe you didn't have time to shave and you're literally just gonna shave in the car. Like, this is something that I would probably do, like if I was super in a rush. Like, this happens sometimes. You forgot to shave your legs and the warmer months are coming. I totally see myself putting this in my bag and having to carry it with me and like shaving in the car because I forgot to shave. That's something I would do. I also think the price point is great for a product that you're going to be able to use over and over again, as opposed to single-use razors. I mean, I personally would never use single-use razors. I feel like it's such a huge waste. But even the other razors, like the ones that you just buy the replacement for, those are also a very big waste. So I feel like this is a great investment, and it's also going to lessen your consumption of those razors. So check it out, you guys. I love that it is so safe to use as well. You can use this everywhere. You can use this on your underarms, on your legs, on your arms. I personally shave my arms. It is so gentle on your bikini area, which is such a plus. All in all, I highly recommend this derma razor from I Must Have.
Hi, I'm Shelby, and I just got my multifunctional eyebrow trimming knife, and I absolutely love it. It is so convenient and super easy to use. It is this right here. This is the trimming knife itself, and the size of it and the weight of it is awesome because you can take it in a purse or a backpack and take it on the go wherever you're going, or if you're having like a fast day or a really busy day, you could easily take this with you and use it anywhere you'd like. It comes with the eyebrow trimming knife itself and a charger, and to charge it, all you have to do is plug it into the very bottom right there and into any outlet. What's super awesome about this is that you could also plug it into your car, so when you are having one of those busy days, you could easily do that, which is awesome. And it comes with this is like a little trimming knife as well that you could use all over your face for like peach fuzz or your eyebrows. And they give you this as kind of like a little gift, but you could use it if you miss any areas, which I doubt you will because the knife works so well. And this right here is to clean out the attachment. So if you're using it and the hair gets clogged up, you can easily use this and you just clean it out. And what's super awesome about this is that it comes with 2 different attachments. So first you want to take off the lid of the trimming knife, and how you do that is you usually just pop it off like that. And right here, the smaller attachment is on, but it also comes with this attachment. So as you can see, the top of this one is way smaller and this one's more flat. And the reasoning for 2 different attachments is because you want to use them for different areas of your face. So say I was doing like my cheek or my lip, I would use the more flat one. Or if I was doing my eyebrows, for example, I'd use the smaller one so I could get into like smaller spaces, or like if I were doing my nose. But to easily remove these, you just have to pop that off and you could replace them. And then to put it back on, you just tighten it and twist it to the left. And to turn this on, you just press this button right here. It's a power button and it turns on. So yeah, it's super easy to use and I absolutely love it. I like it way much better than getting my eyebrows threaded or waxed. It saves a lot of time and I could easily do it on the go, and I don't have to spend money getting my eyebrows waxed every 2 weeks or every week. This saves lots of time, lots of money, super amazing. I absolutely love it, and it has multiple different functions to it, and you could get rid of hair all over your face. So definitely go get yourself one. I love it. Thank you.